Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is always read your religious text. Ladies and gentlemen, to whatever religion you may belong, it is your moral and ethical responsibility to read your religious text. If you are a Hindu, please develop the habit of reading all your religious text. It may be Gita, it may be Ramayana, it may be Hanuman Chalisa. Similarly, if you are a Muslim or a Christian, or you may belong to any other religion, please develop the habit of reading your religious text. Ladies and gentlemen, we Indians are often under illusion. We have very little knowledge of our actual religion, and this is the reason that why we fight with each other in the name of religion. Always. Why can't we live like united people in this country? There are so many religions in this world, and if every religion starts fighting with each other, we cannot live happily, ladies and gentlemen. And this hatred among different religions, it is only happening because people do not know anything about their own religion. They have zero knowledge of their religion. That's why try to be very confident about your own religion. Try to upgrade knowledge related to your own religion. And the only thing that you can do is read large number of religious texts associated with your religion. Try to have knowledge of your own specific religion. Try to understand there are different great philosophers related to our religion. I am not just talking about Hindu religion, I am talking about Muslim religion also, I am talking about Christian religion also, and I am talking about every religion in this world. You see every religion of this world, and you will find that in ancient times, large number of scholars, mathematicians, scientists, language experts, poets, astrologers, astronomers, people belonging to different religion, they were having different types of scholars, ladies and gentlemen. And instead of reading the stories of these people, we are busy in fighting with each other in the name of religion. We are busy in hating each other in the name of religion. Ladies and gentlemen, just try to upgrade your knowledge. Don't follow people blindly. The people who are saying that this religion is bad or that religion is bad, stop listening to those people. Try to involve yourself with books. Try to read your religious text, and you will find that the kind of knowledge a person actually requires, you are getting that knowledge. You will start loving humanity. You will start loving everyone in this world if you start studying your religious text. So it is my humble request to all of you, stop fighting with each other, love each other, respect each other, and please give a deep consideration to your religious text. By reading these religious texts, you will become highly knowledgeable, you will become highly humble, and you will start respecting everyone in this world. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.